In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow to a Canva frame. This is a simple way to give your designs more depth and make them stand out beautifully on the canvas. Let's dive in and break down each step to achieve this effect effortlessly. We'll begin by opening your design in Canva. As you look to the left side of your screen, you'll notice the Elements tab. Click on it to open up various options that you can incorporate into your artwork. Within this section, you'll see a category labeled Frames. This is where the magic starts. Explore the world of frames, which act as boundaries for your images, and select one that suits your design aesthetic. Once you've found the perfect frame, simply click on it to add it to your canvas. It's all about finding that perfect fit that complements your design. Next, move over to the Uploads tab, also located to the left. Here, you can easily bring in your image by either dragging and dropping it directly from your files or using Canva's upload function to select an image from your computer. Choose the method that works best for you. Once you've uploaded your image, place it within the frame you selected earlier. You can do this by dragging the image right into the frame, where it'll snugly fit, ready for the next creative touch. Now here's where things get interesting. Canva doesn't directly offer a drop shadow feature for frames, so we have to use a little workaround. The trick is to first convert your design to an image. You'll do this by clicking on the Share option, found at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Download option, which will open up your download settings. Make sure the file format is set to PNG, and don't forget the crucial step. Check the box that says Transparent Background. This ensures your design remains crisp and clean, free of any unnecessary borders. Once you've got these settings in place, hit that Download button. After downloading, head back to the Uploads tab and upload the image you just saved. Click on it to add it back to your Canva canvas, and now we're really getting to the transformational part. Look at the top bar for the Edit Image option. Within these editing options, find the shadows and give it a click. You'll be met with a variety of shadow effects, but for our purpose, choose the Drop option. Here's where you can let your creativity run wild by customizing your shadow. Use the blur, angle, and distance sliders to get that perfect look, whether you want a soft shadow or something more pronounced. And don't forget about the color option, which allows you to change the hue of the shadow, as well as the intensity slider, which controls how bold or subtle the shadow appears. And just like that, you've created a beautifully customized drop shadow effect for your Canva frame, adding depth and interest to your digital designs. With these steps in your toolkit, you can now experiment with all sorts of frames and shadows to make stunning visual presentations. Happy designing!